Meet Suraj and Rajan. They are the chairman and secretary of a cooperative housing society in Mumbai. Today they are meeting to discuss what they can do about members who have not paid maintenance dues for several quarters now.
Rajan, we really need to do something. After paying our fixed monthly bills, there is hardly any funds left to do any repair and maintenance work.
I know, yaar. Last year we raised the maintenance amount, but it's not fair on people who are paying on time. We really need to recover the due payments from members who are defaulting.
I've tried everything. Chasing on phone and emails, reminders sent via SMS and WhatsApp. People just don't realize what we are up against. The only way now is using legal methods to recover the dues.
No, that's not a good solution. We will spend even more money on lawyer fees. And who has the time to go and fight those cases in court?
Hey guys, sorry I am late for the meeting. What did I miss?
This is Rafi. He is the treasurer and responsible for managing the society finances.
Not much. We were just discussing if there were any ideas to solve the issue of members defaulting on payments.
There might be. I was speaking to a colleague at work the other day, and they have a similar problem. They have solved it by working with a company called Finio. Finio are specialists in this kind of work and have shown them amazing results. They work on a no recovery, no fee model, so no costs up front.
This sounds promising. Let's call them for a meeting and see what they can offer.
Hi. Thanks for coming in at such short notice. We really need some help with our unpaid invoices to members. Can you help?
This is Kshitij. He is a relationship manager at Finio.
Certainly. Before I can explain, please tell me a little more about your problem and what you have done so far to resolve it.
The three members explain that they are unable to get several defaulters to pay maintenance dues on time and have tried everything from reminders to house visits, but nothing works. Also, they are unable to devote dedicated time to collection activities every quarter, and the society manager has far too many responsibilities too. They also don't have enough money to hire lawyers to chase these people and make them pay.
Don't worry. We can definitely help, as this is exactly the sort of problem we are experts at solving. We have helped several housing societies become financially healthier. You are not alone in this problem. We first sign a contract with the society. This is required to formally engage using our services and gives us the authority to recover dues on your behalf. We also sign a non-disclosure agreement to protect the confidentiality of your members. Once the formalities are complete, which usually takes a week, our agents will start working on the cases you have given us. We act as a courteous third party, but use firm, legal methods to recover your dues. In most cases, you will start seeing positive results within a month of us getting involved. Many of our clients give a final notice to defaulters and a date for payment. After that date, they charge the recovery fee to the member themselves, so there is no cost to the society. We can help in drafting these legal notices as well at no cost. Once recovered amounts start flowing into your bank account, we will then start charging a service fee on the recovered amount at the end of each month. This way, it is easier for you to pay us.
All this sounds wonderful, but what is the percentage of fee that Finio will charge?
We typically charge 10 to 20% of recovered amounts, depending on number of cases, average amount per case, and other things. There is a lot of work that goes in recovering these dues, as you are already aware. However, this can be reduced if you use our ongoing maintenance collection service too.
What is this ongoing maintenance collection service?
It's actually something most of our clients sign up for. Basically, you issue your quarterly bills to members and pass us those invoices immediately. We will ensure timely payment from all members by following up and reminding them constantly until paid. We charge a minimal fee per bill for this service.
I really like what I am hearing here. This will free up a lot of our time and also provide us money to do other useful work for the society.
Yes, sir, that is exactly what Finio's mission is, to make businesses and housing societies financially healthier.
Send us your formal proposal. We will discuss internally and revert as soon as possible. We should definitely get started.
This society in Mumbai realized they had a problem and made the smart choice. If you have a similar situation in your society, give us a call and take action now.